So on today's recipe list is our organic black soap. Welcome to Prime Side. Today on our black soap making, we'll be using this black soap base, normally called the Ghana soap, made from plantain ash and is suitable for all skin types. This is going to be our base for today's recipe. Shredding this black soap base into my mortar makes it easy for other ingredients to be well incorporated into it, and using my mortar makes it easy for mixing. Into my black soap, I'll be adding the rice powder, which has anti-aging properties and also oil absorbing properties. And then I'll be adding the Camwood powder, which helps to eradicate acne, dark spots, sunburn, eczema and other skin infections. Then I'll be adding my cinnamon powder because of its many skin benefits, and also I love the smell. Next is my sandalwood powder. This powder helps in treating sunburn and acne. And then I'll be adding my orange peel powder. This also helps in exfoliating. Then I'll be adding sulphur. Sulphur is so important in black soap because it helps in taking care of any reaction that the soap might cause. A black soap without sulphur is prone to any form of reaction. Then this is my ball soap. This ball soap helps the black soap to lather very well. So I will add this ball soap so that my black soap can lather well and last very long. This is called kuli kuli and it helps in taking care of ringworms, pimples, eczemas and other skin infections. And this green soap helps in eradicating stretch mark within a period of time. You can get these ingredients from these herbal shops around. Then I'll be adding brown sugar, very little quantity for exfoliating. And then my honey. Your honey must be very original and at its best, because honey helps in moisturizing and it also have some other skin benefits. I'll be adding turmeric, half spoon. When you add too much, it makes your soup to color, and then you might not like the color. Then your neem powder. Neem powder is very essential in making your black soap because neem powder has numerous health benefits and skin benefits, which I'll be talking about in my next video. I'll drop the link in the description box. Then I'll be adding my oils. This is coconut oil, a teaspoon, and then my neem oil. Then I'll be adding avocado oil. Then I'll also be adding my oatmeal powder for additional exfoliating. I will drop a list of all the ingredients at the end of this video. Now I'll be adding my rose water. Rose water is very necessary for any organic skin products because it helps a lot. I'll be adding a little preservative because I know I'm not going to finish these soaps all at once, so I want them to last a bit. And then I'll be adding 2 spoons of my fragrance. I'm using lavender fragrance. Then not leaving behind my lemon juice. Lemon juice is optional because though some people react to it, so if you find out that you react to lemon juice, please, you can opt it out because this helps for lightening and it also helps to preserve the soap. Then I'll also be adding my aloe vera skin. After removing the gel, I had to pound the skin to get this. I kind of like it in my soap because it exfoliates and its health and skin benefits are numerous. So I'll be mixing all my ingredients together with my paste too. After mixing for a while, I'll be adding my palm oil. Palm oil is also optional, but I love it in my black soap because of its health and skin benefits. You can choose to add water to your black soap, but your water must be pyrogen free, which means it must be boiled up to 100 degrees Celsius and cooled so that it can be devoid of microorganisms which can grow in your black soap and make them spoil on time. So we've gotten our black soap for glow skin, which can be used for all skin types. Note that too much of oils in your black soap can make it not to lather well, so avoid too much oils in your black soap. Now, if you want to make for a lighter skin and you do not want to use this general glow soap, you can add your whitening oil to your soap. Here I'm using my Snow White oil. You can use your own preference. And then I added a cup of neem powder to it again, and then I'm mixing thoroughly. Note that the quantity of your whitening agent you add to your soap might cause it to make you bleach or make you just stay toned, so make sure you are using the right quantity. Here I used about 2 spoons for half of my black soap. This would tone my color and not make me bleach. So here we got the right consistency for my lightning black soap, and we are going to turn into our container. I hope this video was very much helpful to you. If so, please don't forget to give us a like, leave us a comment, ask us any question, and then subscribe to this channel. Turn your notification bell so you can get our videos whenever we make them. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.